Previously on Students of Today.
Ana unumfa. No, obi aka so opi. Yi nipa na ehwe ne yebo odi awon kwa. Bese.
I'm sorry.
You see, someone like me.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti am for quick keys. Oh yeah, we baby am simple. Akabenezer. I don't know so child their French. Nensontada. I say we be like on. Dio na manu we kong. On pe wo ba wa fon. Chele wo pe di na mum. Da opedi na mum. Oba ko fo wa jisku mana boso. Branch this so I want into this young koso. And I'm for pa. I want to want them. Like it. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo, yeah. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo, yeah. The man and me part this year, I could fibra no more bo. Your back can be our monfa. Your moya no more yo. 3940 on any gang. Kyekyeku and a shefo. Stubborn boys them day for campus. I'm with me yana like you wolf. Or chair French and I must want it. When I want to cast a conforce a call. Best I could in the class. Over console when you're in the class. We all bounce was a foul to bed your marks. Foul to bed your marks. Elani Jenson take the hood janty down or more. Obi a demako school, some cosia there. Ain't he like yeah, I'm a friend in Swede. Now want to dress and you. High school girls and boys. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo, yeah. Students of today, yeah.
Josephine.
Hello, my princess.
Hey, you are not a good friend at all.
Why?
So, what were you doing at the back there?
I was eating myself.
Sewara.
You have to trust me.
But yesterday I was looking for you after preps. I couldn't find you.
Like, I was having some chat with my friends. That's why.
Really?
What did you say?
Wow, that's when my boss I got it. Oh yeah, right now. So how was class today? That's when you come away. That's why I started. Wow, what a tower. So that thing you follow class in your Bolivia. My site to a campus here. See, Frankie school with you. One say, you ain't footballers in our campus. A man on a rush here, but no. Oh, you're banana rushing in Paukana. You trouble. My site campus. Yeah, oh, your baby a calendar soon. No, I need to send about for Syria and come for them in pay. Maybe I'm casting on baby. Many John star baby. But Nina the Shaman crown. I'm always saying, Gumi. Aye, I'm not what many John fucking what. What I say?
You know what? I have something to discuss with you.
Really?
Yeah.
Can tell me.
It's about the school prefect. Yesterday after preps, the boys prefect called me.
Our school prefect?
Yes.
Okay.
And he said what? And he was like, I'm very pretty. And I said me yeah like me standing for prefectship or school my best fata me and when you say me so that position no crown no me I say like me pray like
yeah.
To me now I thought say it was just a compliment and all that, but not knowing there's something attached to it.
And when our friend man.
Oh, about plan. So I need you. Your friend be 2 nights mature.
One person himself school hana me won. Me dey 80.
Oh, come on.
And I me guy am in the only ni na na class. Ah, we no school mu ha.
Guy be.
Makonzi.
Oh my man. Ah, you bu no maskoto. Makonzi dey say akro campus ya o.
And you sure say they working or tia eh how?
Makonzi. Odo hu na kan say na na ba for say me no wadi community Rebecca. Makonzi so on the ya na ya say no yes ya start on campus ya da bo na e bo ntia o. Ana da won ho ba fa ya na abefa. Ya chama.
Show some to dibi ma show some mu.
Ya say
no one
shit no.
So we dey hu mu en. Me ho ye.
Come on.
Nana, wait a minute, so fetch it. What's it that the mean kind of kind?
Na ma to achi na me ni din koma so e star bi.
Ohema. Yemete. Manage semi ankasa koma be piece. When me din ko be bra fa ho bet na me hu se me ba be ka kire.
He's interested in me.
Whoa. And how did you tell him?
I said no.
No. Why no?
Josephine, you know I'm too young
You
for
have
that.
to stop that. You have to. Hey, my main cast in intro. Asem no crayon to sebi. Hey, school prefect, the whole school prefect. Baba be so ope. One penny. When you saw ordinary what to food. On no home of any sebi ase kwa no home of it.
Me Makonzi no me nim so wo date no. Na wonye be mo fata wo.
David.
Ye kan me mo betimi amada chi bi. Wetimi ko wanimu a. Makonzi nka ho.
David.
Wo hu ofe. Wo animu nyam. Wo hunu nyam. Hwe wanimu. Hwe wono.
The color no kon kumi color no.
Wo hia ba mani mu nyam fosi. Tell it.
Rich GH hyper. But be hyper no. What you only say me Makonzi na dey to campus here.
It's na me cho say ye woni pa ni woni mpan.
Te say, o bibi bi. Wa che ma ya na rush no. Na no e tie ba wi ya assembly omo rush no.
Also ka say.
So what day?
Also ka say me rush no.
Ah,
me nya ready say me no bi abekọ ni ho.
School na e buy no. Enye bisua nko a ni promotion no.
Really?
Oh, so wo bi woni na cause the way no asa
you know you have really shocked me.
Na pe ma na
twa. Konzi nya bema.
Wi ni bema.
Eno na me pe. Eti me srem. Munja me life ma me wate.
Ene wi ni.
Tell me ya me nya asem na mutu munya asem nti.
Obi atimi yo.
Munja me life ma.
Obi atimi yo. Ye campus ai ni wi campus ya. Ah, ye kasa kwai master tie. Forget Makonzi na.
No. Da bi wunni na ye ni house school ni wo mutimi nya games.
Me be ni kini ko ka tie no.
Nana, enye game krampo na. Hwe bema.
Na maka chem no mo ye den kra na Makonzi na me pe eti munja me life man why
Na so wo
ofe
What's shocking me, Papa?
Dear,
you know I'm too young for that.
Perfect.
Oh, come on. You didn't try. Let's go and escort me somewhere. This one, dear, you know,
send
your
dear primitive.
The threat, you know.
Hey, perfecto.
come fight so pe
You send me the pedi.
na abai no mpani pa.
ya na shata mi yo.
Wo ba weti so wo ba ho fefuti obenya bema papa obetumi aboa. Nana, maminka tinto tata no. Bebu we fe bia tata ni sai ma omo pressure. Pressure na befa.
Boy, my son body see I was see ogu mi no.
Abedina. Amedre me ho. Atumi ababeti adede ase.
je bibi chiri ma dwen so
Adede. Ede. Mkura me ya.
kafra obaji di say English na ye na me dwen say ma pass ya me ni agi a me hwi si ha pete no sama pass yo ni di mi say na me de nya sa marks no
Na ede. Ede
English teacher na na pass me ono na true bi she ho ma me
English teacher.
say kwame
Princess, me tea ye. Say. Me tea class na say smart on my friend me call you see my nya this time. Hey, you share me.
on from me results in me maths 86 A1 Germany ajama okohwe odi
there is no need because me I mean say me nya ndie so there
there is oh daddy
me dey there.
Princess.
Hey Ajabe,
How far?
cool.
I've been looking for you. How have you been?
Oh really?
On the pass man.
yes
Adede na wo dia jet now.
stop it I'm serious stop it
Ede na dia no.
I see open me and I was three many be some no was three
Enipa na no ace say ace na ye no. So fru o jai ma menwe me ho. Ma menwe me ho master. Say so said you so free phone in the bio. Ade. Dear Tino Beppo. When you be was awful anymore, Haliana.
You just said, dear, my son, I'm a pass you. So I don't know, I'm a max. Okay. It's a fever, Nejem, one. Minum, school, there's me nabo. Me work at the incident.
You don't know, if you know, since I decided. Oh, na say school at the Obas will be soon.
Oh, sister.
About you guys. Have you gotten your results?
Oh, hell. You want to know. I'm your bonnie. Let me judge him.
And yours. I haven't checked yet. Don't worry, I know already. Meaning that you can't trust. Princess, you have to learn. Unim, like you home. And you marry. Yes. Mre, we the mommy team be 8 or 8 junction. My gist ka cry. No. Me dey maso ye me say mama me 8 anumre.
Ti power ti nya pass wo school mu a. Ti me dwene ho ana mentiase me jembo na mentiase. Ha!
I don't even know what to do now. I mean, if they mean me
say ni e be ye ni say. Ti a roba kaka so. Katale so be edu.
What are you trying to say? Say.
Me patch the set tale so.
Make up pen.
I pen and I there, no lie. Why ya bo school? But me the first. Just a bibia. Ella, many place I'm no come. Many place I'm wait to me. Wait to me. It with me, but Robber name.
Wait to me. You know, there's nothing special about him. Depending where I want to meet in a day.
Me say I know. And so. Fatal so. What the time so no.
Into feel crash.
Hey,
Mama. We trust you.
What do you call it?
I did care. But don't worry. You be doing come once me no be meet. A boy eater. Oh, eat it me share. Oh, my just ka cry. Me mama so hear me say. Mama say it's itching you. I know. I've seen it. Don't worry. But I will just do you later around 8 p.m. By fashion wagi. Me say me myself. She knew. Baby, I'm a level now, my demo con levels now, metro mono. Ube feel you cratching, Bema. Share. But they don't worry, later I am with 8. And they were confused. So go down.
Levels. You pay me some money for this. Because of Max.
We are both.
What's up, baby? Hello, why? Hey, now, Jane, what you are doing? Tell me about the shop in Abakrosuna.
Ah, you're close.
Hey, Rasta woman.
You're close.
What's up, baby?
I mean, I would just go and make you show any food.
Atadwe.
I dare say, and I pray I won't cast some mine.
Jane, what should I mean?
Say, you pay any money. School had a beer no bet me a baby. Oh, beer, but
to me for my dream, man.
Now we summer we lie, but you caught. You are not so don't say when it's true. No. Oh, yeah, bad.
No, senior. Senior, I have come with the coffee. Ha! Boho crans and I'm a dry. Boho, I'm a suit to me. Can you tell me? I'll be also. I'm punish up now. Young was in.
Hey, be fast and let's go. Be fast. Hey, be fast and let's go.
Well, I'm coming out.
Hey.
What is I'm okay?
Yeah, check 1 2 go feel. They do near side now.
Doing your day.
Check it when you love you by in sky on.
Oh, check it so when you love you.
Sky on me answer. As you uncle down.
And I said, Senior Crowd coffee.
What's it?
That's a coffee.
What's saying your board? A jammy man catch up some me coffee. One minute happy. Hey, my friend, reduce. Wash him and it's only me in a shash. I should know about Kunto.
Hey, mommy, I did ask him.
Jenny Pabe, your dog's name was where we make us Pabe, but me.
Now, Cassan.
Because I'm with behind it.
Oh, I need to Casa.
What do you mean you catch him say? Oh, me, they miss me coffee. When baby, I make call. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, come on. Lie down. Hey, down. Better. Tell on change. More coche. Me boy. What? Okay, I'm grown. What are you doing to them? Sir, they are running away.
And it's good money, Pabe. One woman,
come on, get out and go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, my friend is just standing here waiting for me. I want.
Come on, move. You came here to learn. Be fast and go. This boy. Oh, madam. Madam. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
We thank God. I'm also doing better and cool too.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bye, Patrick. Me catch you then kabre na be ya dem ma. Twa no wamba.
Oh.
Makonzi.
Yes.
Ozo ye be ma bia me do me pe wasempa.
Oh, hey, me away.
Me do nto.
Me away.
And I be ma bia me ni jon ho. De me pe bia so de ma me.
True.
But me pe so ya de ma.
Fine. There no say nya dey bia like yeah. So me to me there, I'll make sure say everything will be done for you.
Oh yeah, sure, say me can obey.
Me you're more than sure.
Okay.
Please, madam, please, forgive me. I refuse to come your place. Do you know that I, Patrick, I'm very busy in this school.
Hey, madam.
That's why.
We won't refuse. Just don't be you a movie. Oh, yeah, you're for you. Just don't be a movie.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, come on.
How you say? You call me here for any answer? Oh, let me feel. Kick in my foot. Kick in my foot.
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Let me tell you. Please.
Be very careful.
Let me be very careful. Don't make yourself. Please, don't make yourself.
Come on, student. You are insulting your teacher now.
Come on, teacher.
Hey, Patrick.
You don't take out. I'll do with you, okay?
No. Don't bother me. Come on. Come.
Hey, no.
Come on.
Madam, no problem. Well, let me ask a question.
No.
You might touch me. You touch yourself.
Why are you saying pass to your teacher?
This should be. I'm sorry. You don't know the reason why I am behaving like this. That.
Nina say on say the way I want na campus ya no na wo ye wo nneoma no ene ndamfofo bia wo de wo ho akobọ mo ene nneoma am ye wo campus ya no mani nje ho mu kan no mu di media tag ho akoy say me ye bad girl bi nso me nye bad girl
Na just when your hashtag or no. Okay. Fetch me. But on say Makonzi is a guy on to rate you that fucking shit and near be like what one wa be general being sorting no ye be man on ye say on ya like on Sunday Monday and they mean family tinge.
If you see any teacher when African red that person see that flower
Hey, my friend. What did he say?
I'm talking about. You're sorry. I'm saying you're sorry.
Very careful.
Mimi.
What are you doing?
So do it,
fight. My trouble book. I'll tell me my story.
Do it, fight. Come.
Hey, you are one, okay?
One.
Okay, Madam,
Why are you saying all this to your teacher?
My teacher. My phone.
Hey.
Ask a person.
Yeah.
Madam, do you know me? If you talk about my sickness, yeah.
But I call you on to a car.
Na so mo ye na say when feel mo a emfa bibiamba.
Na na nya easy. Enye easy say what one man na akrobia sole aba no abegina so no brofo so na what say wo hwe ne din wa bra betimi akontrol na ruling no. On say nye possible bad. Waka. Hold on to matter.
Oh yeah, sure.
Me more than sure. Say me nye spray ma wa me yamo. Me
mama. Oh woman, sometimes maybe you say we can cry. You put me out. No, me I don't me. Me go. Me mama. Oh woman, now we kick up. Me please forgive me,
Matwasi.
Oh.
You're about the one fancy.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I like you. The whole school. You are the.
I know.
Yes,
me too.
better.
I like you too.
Okay, okay, neighbor. Can I hang your bag for you? Okay, put it. The bag. Yeah. Very good. Wow. Me, I am very romantic.
Students of today. Yes, stop. I'm a white, I'm a fool to practice. We are simple. Akabenezer. On the nonsense, so child, they're French.
You kept me waiting.
Sorry.
I've been looking for you the whole day. Where have you been?
Oh, I went out with one of the teachers to get something.
Okay. The money you asked for is complete now.
The money?
The 100 cities, I didn't get all in full, so...
Oh. I don't need it. Yes, I've already done what I wanted to use the money for. Yes.
Hey.
Oh, you are making noise. Why?
You two, why are you learning like that? As somebody ask you why you are learning.
Money. Hey.
Would you so tired and
It's not tank, I chew up from the sea.
One can propose that different movement.
And I'm not telling you to you. If you're the chair, you won't have so they keep quiet.
What is one of us? Yes, boss, right? And then we can have
Do you know the stress I've gone through just to have this money for you?
But I have already done what I wanted to use the money for. You don't understand.
I had to convince my mom, convince her very hard before I could get the money. You are rejecting the money.
How do I care about that? I asked for a chicken change and then you didn't bring it on time.
Chicken change? Chicken change?
No. 100 cedis is a small money. It's a small money for you to get.
Because I love you. You think it's easy to get 100 cedis? You think so? Okay, fine. Let's forget. Still, you need at least use it and buy provisions.
No, it's okay. I'm okay.
Okay. You need it.
Why? Do you want to twist my arm?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I mean, you need the money. Please.
Okay, you give it to me. Give it to me.
Come on, look at me.
Give it to me.
Please.
Put it inside my hands. I will leave you.
Why are you doing this to me? Have you started seeing other girls or what?
Forget about that one. Give it to me.
Please don't leave. Don't do this to me. I always try all my best to do whatever you want to do.
Yes, 100 did you want to tear my dress?
Sorry. Oh.
Okay, fine.
Just like that.
What again? I did not come here with you.
I know. Be romantic. Be romantic. At least a peck or a hug.
High school girls and boys, students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa this you know the debut, Messi I go sing kwa this you know the amumpo, yeah. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa this you know the debut, Messi I go sing kwa this you know the amumpo, yeah.
Good morning, class. Good morning. How's everyone?
fine, sir.
I'm good. I'm good. Be seated.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Yesterday I gave you some homework. So we're gonna check on those ones before starting our today's lesson. Right. So let me start from you. Write bad words. Even though the comparison works, but don't use profane words the next time. But the rest is cool. All right, next. So we started. C'est oui, je vous. Oui, je vous. Il s'en va la paix. C'est monsieur.
I didn't tell you my name, sir. Sir, we didn't finish.
Son Alain, je vous jamais. Madam.
Keep quiet.
A little mistake is made. And what is this? Dance, moto, and what is shaking? What's that? This is not an English word. Bring bring up your palm. For the other mistake, bring it up. Bring it up. You want to teach me what English is and what it's not? Say after me. Sorry, now we learn Kyekyeku Jabe. Instagram Kotori. TikTok Kotori. TikTok Kyekyeku. Instagram Kyekyeku. You know the kind of one by one. This time you're the French. I said French. I don't know if I should lash you 10 times. Say what? Or make you clean the room 10 times.
Say what, sir?
You're asking me what happened? There is probably you have only 2 or 3 somehow correct. But the rest, prank, that there is no word in English such as, how is that supposed to be sounded, like drunk?
Say no, my parents is saying
I get the homework to you, not to your parents. Bring up your palm.
Where are you thinking about?
So he's running away.
What the hell is this? Kwame Eugene? So tell me what Kwame has to do with Eugene.
Rockstar.
I know who Kwame Eugene is, but this has nothing to do with what we got yesterday. Hey, bring up your phone. You're making fun of me or what?
Rockstar. Say made the husband to be.
Bring it up. Place it on the table.
Keep quiet. Oh, shut up.
Eugene, husband to be.
In her dreams lately.
Yeah, husband to be.
Bring it up again. I'm not done with you.
French I give you this time around. One try. Now one short French. I bet how them. I will know what can help you. Okay, never.
Oh, sir.
That means I tell what you're not saying. Better approach from my mistress. And I'm not I know, but tomorrow. Today I'm just come here and introduce myself. So clap for me.
Next on Students of Today.
We come and pay, come at Talemo Compi, sir.
Say like it. Make a chair, sing here and come home, Banuchi, and I said,
It's to let's back to you. Oh, Mabwa, what it? I can't be a mefaso a metro French, but you ask one knows when you're at it.
Thank you.
Who's when you're at the palm, who's all you believer?
Fine boy.
So I hope you haven't changed your mind.
I'm so sorry. I'm busy. Okay.
And who could that lucky guy be?
High school girls and boys. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, I push him qua, this you know the bio. Missy, I push him qua, this you know the amumpo. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I push him qua, this you know the bio.